Hello guys, I'm Bo. Today I will replanting the moss rose. This moss rose I plant about 1.5 months. So I will replant to the pot that can hang. So let's go to see. And the potting, go to look at the video that how I mix the potting. This is from the rain last night, so it's wet, but it's okay. So go to check how I mix the potting. I come to get the cow poop from my sister cow. Today she did not take a cow, go to have a grass outside. She cut some grass from the rice field and make a storage food for cow to eat. This a male cow. His name Coca-Cola. This name is Som. It means orange because her skin is look like orange. Hello. So that the cow poop, but I don't get that part. Is too fresh. I will come to get here. And this the mixing potting. This time I will use coconut shell. I know have the rough one. I have very coconut flax, so I will use this one. But the hanging flower we need to have the weight is so light, so I will use this more for adding in the potting. Actually I have to use less more than this. So and this third from my garden. This sand, just normal sand, and this ashes, and this egg shell, and this cow poop mixing. Maybe my camera is moving too much because I'm hold with one hand and do the work. So you have to mix very well, so will be the potting for moss rose today. Try to get it off. and I am making the video that today is so cloudy. It's no have strong sun and it's 2 p.m. already, so the moss rose is not blooming. I will take a photo when they are blooming, how they look like. They very awesome, look like pretty many color. And you take the potting to okay, and you setting which and you checking which is still not thick enough. You take it to plant it more to make it so it thick, right? And I think it's okay already for me. It's done already. When you hang it be like this, then you watering. So we come to check tomorrow. I will take a photo when the flower is blooming. Thank you for watching until the end of video. If you think replanting for makes better, looking for your moss rose to change the plant pot. If useful for you, please give a thumb up and share to your friend, and make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for notify when my video new come up so you can see them. And stay safe and healthy. I hope to see you again. สวัสดีค่ะ